Today I am going to speak about Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was a great freedom fighter of India. She was born on 19 November 1828 in Varanasi. She is Canadian. Jhansi Ki Rani. His father's name was Molpant Tambe and mother's name was Bhangrati Tambe. At she was named Meena Karnika and Leknaman. She was married on Raja Gangadhar, the rule of Jhansi. Lakshmibai fought very bravely with the British to save Jhansi. Rani Lakshmibai on the battlefield on 17 June 1858 and she will always in the heart of every Indian. For his bravery, I end my speech. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
चलिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। चलिए हम लोग अब अंतिम कड़ी में आ चुके हैं। इसी बीच में हम लोग एक छोटा सा हंसाने वाला खजाना लेकर के आ रहे हैं, भगवत जी वाला कॉमेडी।